What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today is the day y'all gonna finally hear the exhaust. I get to hear the exhaust, the new and improved Big Meech, man. We now complete. We got everything we need. We ready. So I'm up, man. I'm finna run these I'm finna go ahead and run these V-band clamps over the test so he can go ahead and get it knocked out. So then I should be getting a call soon, man, cause I can get back to the house, work out and all that stuff. And then when he get it knocked out, man, we're going to get that thing back to the house, pick it up. Then we're going to debut it. I'm going to park that joker back. Then y'all can see how this thing going to sound, man, and all that good stuff. And I'm going to show you the exhaust and all that. So, yeah, man, that's what we got planned. Finna get over here, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. So y'all see, man, made it over here. This thing here on the ground. And boy, whew. Oh, I'm talking about, it sound like a new engine in this car, man. It sounds like a new engine in this car, for real. So look, I don't know if y'all can see a good look, but look at that on there. Boy, that sure look good. I had to use the phone so I can get it for y'all, but look at that. Boy, Lawler do some clean work, man. All aluminum exhaust, custom aluminum mufflers, aluminum hangers, everything, man. And then you got that big boy quick performing 9-inch looking good under there. So yeah, man, woo, we ready to roll now, y'all. We done did a lot of work in these last 2 months. Y'all see everything on there. We got the car lowers ready to roll. Got the double adjustable uppers and lowers, and then we got the aluminum exhaust, man. Boy, when I get to the house, y'all gonna hear that thing, brand new aluminum drive shaft, all of that. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, man, I just got back. Put a little fuel in it, not too much, cause I plan on weighing the car too. I had that video coming for y'all. But look at the amazing job they did, man. Like I was noticing too when I got out, like you stand back, you can't even see, man. They got it tucked so tight. You know, usually sometimes you can see that it's all hanging down up under there. You can see it hanging down a little bit. And I done had systems like that before, but man, for the exhaust to be as big as it is, they got that thing tucked tight up under there. Then, you know, I got the little footage for y'all, the best that I could. But next time the car in the air stuff, I'll show y'all exactly what it looked like. But I'm telling y'all, my first impression, I'm gonna give y'all my first impression when I first hit the key on the joker in there, cause they were like, hit the key. I couldn't, boy, I just started teasing, boy. I said, God, that was my first impression, man. I said, boy, it sounds different. It sounds different, man. You can tell it needed to breathe more, which I knew that. And I'm going to tell y'all this. I'm going to have to test hit it and see. I'm going to have that video coming too. But just driving it even feels faster. I am not exaggerating. You know how you can get in a car, the throttle response, like the car feel faster just under normal driving. So I know it picked up some power. Anytime you get in a car and it feel faster, it either picked up some power or you just dropped a whole lot of weight. And this right here, I ain't gonna say it dropped a whole lot of weight. Like I said, I'm curious on what it weighs now. But it definitely picked up some power because it was restricted. This joker here need some big exhaust. It'll like to run open header, be real with you. But man, that's why I know when you going up in power, you gotta give it what it needs. Everything around it, man. Just understand. When you stepping up, you're going to have to step up all the way around. You're going to have to step your suspension up. Everything when you stepping up power. So don't be wanting all that power and ain't ready to spend the money in all the other places. But it definitely needed, man. It feels faster. It feels faster. So these right here going to be coming out this week. And I have the what's name going on, the big boy shoes. But enough of that. Here we go. Putting a moment of truth. Well, if I stick the key in. If I stick the key in, y'all can hear something, man. This thing sounds so good. It sounded even better when I got it rolled it out the shop. Sounded good on the inside, but it sounded even better when it came out. And it's louder too. It's definitely louder. Sound good, man. Side profile. Let me close the door. I'm talking about pressure too. All limit test. That thing sounds so good, boy. That's a one-off sound. Look, all you hear crickets in the front. Crickets in the fan. That's what I like. I like to hear it from the back. This good. Woo! It's like pins, boy. That's over here, boy. Sit y'all down so y'all can hear it. Sit y'all down. I'm in the red. Meech talking the talk now. Big Meech most definitely talking the talk. Whee! I'm gonna cut this thing off, man. Pull it up, then I'm gonna turn y'all back on. This thing here routed, boy, isn't it? Ooh, they took a route. Alright, y'all see I got it. Got the nag put up. Got everything put up, man. I'm happy to have Meech back home. We're finally complete. Besides what I told y'all the other day, I said I probably will end up switching over to the Mensa shocks, and then it'll be complete drivetrain wide. But for the most part, we complete, man. We have done everything on Meech. Did this car pretty fast, and it's the first one that's completely done drivetrain wide. But y'all know I was gonna do that because it's my favorite car. Dolo done drivetrain wide. I'm just saying brake stuff ain't done on Dolo in the front, which is simple. Rotors and calipers, that's not done. But this one done. We got big boy. Oh, and Dolo ain't got the anti-roll bar, so Dolo ain't done. But this one got anti-roll bar, TRZ anti-roll bar system on it. We got the quick performance profile 9, fully loaded, all options. Wide wood, real disc, brake, sliding in cross drill rotors. We got sliding and cross drill rotors in the front. Wide wheel dual piston calipers in the front. We got the big block, the exhaust now. We got the all aluminum exhaust now. Hey, we ready, man. We ready. We ready. Brand new drive cell. Ain't nothing else to do but tune this nag up. I'ma weigh it. I'm finna get all that done. I'm gonna have that coming for y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna weigh it, man, cause I wanna see how it weighs for real, cause the car does feel faster just driving it regular. And when a car feels faster, when you get in your car and it feels faster, it is faster. You either gain power, or you either lost a noticeable amount of weight, or you have done both. And in this case, I think we've done both. Now I'm real curious. I want to get on the scale, man. I'm ready to get on the scale bad, cause I want to know the difference, man, on how much, what's the weight difference in weight in the exhaust, man. So I'm gonna have that coming for y'all, man. I'm really ready to see that. But with right now, man, we debuted the exhaust. Y'all got to hear it. I got to hear it. I love the way it sounds. If you heard the car in person, then I'm glad you did, cause now you're gonna be able to hear you're gonna really be able to hear the difference in how it sounds now. It sounds different. I don't know how it sounds on camera, cause I ain't looked at the footage at this point. But in person, it sounds different, and it sounds like a different engine. That's how I know it was restricted, man. It sounds different. The whole tone of the engine sounds different. So, yeah. But, yeah, man, I'm going to be popping the hood on this thing soon. I had to get everything done. And I got to make me a nitro pad. I said I got to make a nitro pad first before I pull the hood on it. Cause it is beautiful under there. I ain't about that. It's beautiful. I done too much work. Lawless done too much work. I spent entirely too much money to try to just keep that hood on there, man. And I got some good companies that I'm running some good products, and they need to be shown and stuff. So I'm gonna pull the hood on it. Now I'm not gonna disclose what size it is just yet, but I am gonna pull the hood cause it is a work of art on there. It looks nice. I promise you, it looks nice. It's nice and clean. Y'all know how Lawless get down, so I don't feel like it's fair to the people that do the work and have helped me out with this to keep their junk a secret. I don't know why people do that. You can at least show they can't tell what size it is and stuff. But I'm gonna show that cause it's beautiful on there. It look nice. It look nice, man. So I'm gonna have that coming. But yeah, shout out to Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. Shout out to my bro Jesse for knocking that junk out, man. Always does amazing work. He has done exhaust work on all the cars, right? He did Wifey, yeah, Wifey, except Grandma Nana. But he did Wifey, R&B, Meech, Dolo, and yeah. Cause when he did Wifey car, the Wifey Mustang already got flow masters on it. I don't know if she gonna want to change them. It just got regular 40 series, so I don't know what she gonna do right there. Not R&B. Grandma Nana probably will be getting changed. Cause what I'm gonna do to it is gonna have to have it. I like the way it sounds, but what I'm gonna end up doing, and when I put my combo in there, it's gonna be restricted, so it's gonna have to be changed. But yeah, man, they're gonna wrap it up, man. Y'all got to hear Meech count them all, sound like a monster and all that. And we're gonna have the video coming tomorrow, seeing the weight, and y'all probably gonna see that, man. I think it lost a good little bit of weight, man. But we're gonna have that coming there. I'm gonna test it too. I'm gonna do all that this week before that rain come in. So yeah, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.